Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the video using the AI Earth Zoom effect and also the heart shake effect. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you can create the Earth Zoom effect, and here I was using the application name the Pix first, and you can install it first from the App Store or the Play Store and do the login first with your email so that this application will give you 60 credits to go. And after that you can go to the template and go to the searching section and type the keyword named Zoom, and you can choose this effect and use the template. And after that, I strongly recommend you to prepare what clip that you would like to combine this effect and also the heart shake effect. For example, I have prepared the screenshotted picture that will be the transition of the earth zoom effect and also the movie clip that I will prepare to do the editing. And after that, this picture will be ready to be created the earth zoom. Then you can just click this create button, and don't worry because I have prepared it for you guys. As soon as you have clicked the create button, then you can go to the notification, and for example this is the result. And after that, you can simply save or download this video into the MP4 format, and you can move on to the CapCut to do the editing and put this effect and also combine it with the scene of the video that you would like to create. For example, like this. Boom. So it create the continue effect after this movie or after this earth zoom and this movie. Boom. And after that you can do creation for this video. For example, I have put a little bit effect of the cutout effect, and since we would like to create the heart shake effect, then you can choose the specific scene that you would like to add the heart shake effect. For example, for this clip I choose it to put the heart shake effect. So the heart shake effect, simply you can add the effect of the oblique blur. I recommend you to not select any clip before, just click this effect and there you go. This is the clip that we use over here. Oblique blur. There you go. This is the effect of oblique blur. Then I apply it on the first second of this scene, and also I put the keyframe from the first second of this effect, and I also adjust the blur to become 50 and also the rotate to become 95 is enough, or it is okay to put it to become 100. And after that you can put the last keyframe and you can put the blur to become 0, and so does the rotate. And after that, you can add the effect named the vertical shake, and you can adjust, let's say, about the amount, the blur effect. For example, I will choose the 50 over here, and the intensity, let's say I will put it to become 52, and the glow keep it on a 60, and range 67, and atmosphere to become 100, and apply it. Then this is the look of the heart shake. There you go. Don't forget to try it by yourself, and please don't worry to explore more about the another effect, how to create the effect, how to create the keyframe motion, and also the transition. So I hope this video finds you helpful, guys, and I hope you can be more master to create something from this CapCut. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.